Hello, I'm going to show you my favorite restaurant, or one of them. It's in San Francisco. It's called La Taqueria. If you haven't gone there, I suggest it. They've got an award for the best burrito in the nation. So it's literally called La Taqueria in SF. There we go, and boom. Here's their website right here. And they're really good. Best carne asada I've ever had at any taqueria. They also have tacos, freshly made, fresca, like fruit drinks, and just miscellaneous, horchata, just stuff a taqueria would have, but it's just out of this world. So I suggest very much that you visit it. It's on Mission Street. So, see right here. The best tacos and burritos in the assortment of San Francisco. Mission District. So yeah, that's my favorite restaurant website, or one of my favorite restaurant websites.